The science and math curriculum at Oakcrest is a wonderful place for girls to not only just learn things like formulas and how to actually, add and learn about chemical changes and physical changes and how things work and the nature of things, but also they learn how to communicate that. So it's something that's very special to Oakcrest, is they learn not just the rules, but also then how to explain that to each other and how to explain that also to outside of these walls. So they can look at a graph or something in the Sunday newspaper that they're going to read 20 years later, and they're going to be able to analyze and understand what that really means, as opposed to just knowing how to compute it. We really focus on scientific literature all the way from the very early grades throughout the whole curriculum. So they're getting exposure to things that they might get in college and that they'd actually understand and be able to synthesize. So not just, how to compute something, but also what does it mean? What is the context of it? And that training is really unique to the Oakcrest curriculum. The science labs are a wonderful space that we have. We have a lot of space and the ability to use all of the different tools that we actually need. So there's a lot of glassware. It's tailored so that way there's 4 girls to a desk, and that allows for a lot of collaborative learning, which is done also. And they have sinks. Every desk has a sink, so we can do wet labs, and they're actually getting their hands-on activities, and they can do that all the time. And so that's a wonderful advantage that we have. They don't have to do labs just, one time a week. They can do it whenever they're in the labs. And they're getting the experience from 6th grade all the way through 12th grade. So the middle school has lab time as well. So that's something also very unique, is that the middle schoolers get to get their hands wet in the lab. We also have a fully stocked storeroom, so we can do pretty much anything that we dream up. We have a lot of freedom in being able to bring physical science reactions and show the girls exactly, get their hands on the science in the labs. So also at Oakcrest we have additional opportunities for girls to explore the STEM curriculum through the Science Olympiad team, which we were the first all-female team in the state of Virginia, and to go to the state competition as well. So we have, and that's something that students do, they're very passionate about, and it's a fun way for bringing Oakcrest and the STEM curriculum outside of these walls. So the girls have freedom to explore as well if they're interested in additional opportunities that we have at Oakcrest.